Alright. Let's see. Alright, sure. Alright, good. Here we go. It's gonna be probably not too long of a video, but basically, I'm gonna be talking about people roasting me because I have a YouTube channel. Alright. Just because you're mad that I got more views and more subscribers than all y'all don't have to try to roast me. Like, there's kids roasting me in class and they don't even have a YouTube channel. Like, they always say, oh, I'll hit 1 million in a day. Well, then come show me. They say they will, they don't. And they still roast me. Like, instead of roasting me, why don't you come show me that you can hit 1 million in a day? Like, I'm just doing YouTube for fun. So yeah, I'm just doing YouTube for fun. Don't need to go out there and roast me or anything. I'm not trying to be Jake Paul. So I'm just trying to entertain the world. Go read what I put on the beginning on my little, like, what my YouTube channel is about. It tells me what I do. I make videos about me, my family, and if you don't like that, then don't say anything. I don't need you to waste your breath about me. I don't even know why I'm saying this, because half of these people bragging about their Instagram, they got more followers than I do on YouTube. What you don't realize is I go look at your Instagram and you got 29 followers and I got 30 on YouTube. So I don't know what you're saying. I don't know why you're trying to talk stuff to me. Oh man, hit the branches. Oh, air ball. So yeah, that was pretty much all I really gotta say. I just don't try to roast me because you're jealous. If you got actually something to roast me about, roast me, not because you're jealous that you try to start a YouTube channel in a day thinking you're gonna get more than me and then more subscribers and then you only get like 1 subscriber and then delete it. Go try it. Go try to make a YouTube channel. Try to make good videos and then when yours gets better than mine, then you can roast me. But all y'all roasted me just like people always roast people. I don't know why. Or like roast people because I'm not trying to be the new Rice Gum or anything, but like dissing people and stuff, but like, you know what I mean? I'm not talking bad about people. So you don't need to talk bad about me. Unless I talk bad about you. Unless you want to talk bad about me and then, you know, beef could start. You know, beef and rice makes typhoid if you did not know that. And that's it. I'm out. See you guys next time.